Guys, I think I found the simplest, the fastest, and the easiest website builder out there. The company name is Wizrd, and it will host your website and it will build your website in a matter of minutes. You can try it for entirely free for 2 weeks with no credit card required, so you can see for yourself how simple and easy to build your website and how fast it performed. The only downside of this builder is that it is very basic, which means you will write blog posts, you will create your website. It's gonna be beautiful, pretty, but very basic, very minimal. This is a great solution for whoever don't wanna mess with WordPress, don't wanna do this maintenance and updates for plugins, for softwares, for security issues, every time something going wrong. I know because I have WordPress websites myself, and the maintenance takes me hours every week. So let me show first the pricing that you have to pay after 2 weeks free trial. So for basic plan, which includes one website and you connect your custom domain, you also have 25,000 views a month and 2,000 email subscribers, and I'll show you how you get those subscribers in a second. You also have 5 gigabytes space. This will cost you $24 a month if you pay annually. So it may seem a little bit pricey if you compare it to WordPress and let's say some basic theme that you install on WordPress, but it is about the same price as Wix and other good builders out there. The reason why they're a little bit more pricey, in my opinion, is because they're so fast. So I figured out like 2 months ago that most of my websites are too slow for Google right now, and this may affect my ranking. So I'm going to make them faster. And if you try to make your website, WordPress website faster, it's a headache. I'm telling you, it's a headache. Anyway, Wizrd is not a shared server. It is laid on cloud server. I think it's from Amazon server, which is very fast. And this is the reason they a little bit more pricey. But if you think about it, you save so much time, you build your website in a matter of minutes, and you don't have to maintain it and upgrade it and update it every time. And consider that it's very, very fast and it will rank higher. I think this is a great price. So here they explain how you can get great performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO, all included in this website, in your website. So let's sign up for a free trial. You don't need credit card. Just click try for free, or just click here and start building your website. You can choose a color and start from here with your free trial. So let's try for free. Wizrd will prompt us to build our first website. So now see how fast I'm building my website. Let's start with blue color, click on next. Let's choose website name, let's say domain name. You can choose my new website. It's available, and they will show you that your domain is going to be mynewwebsite.wizrd.page. And if you have a domain name you purchased, you can connect your custom domain into the platform later. Here you can upload your logo. If you click here, it will open a gallery, and also you can upload your image from your computer. So let me just choose something simple here. Click on confirm. Let's say this is my logo. This is your headline. Let's leave it like that. You can change it. You can change it later too. And tagline is this little text. Okay, here you can upload your header text. You can choose it's gonna be white, or you can choose it black and then it's gonna be white. So let's stick with white, it's nice. And here you can choose to upload some image on the background. You see, click on upload, choose an image. Let's say we choose this leaves. Click on confirm, and you see that the header picture is changed. When you're done, let's click on finish. And now they tell you that congratulations, we're almost there. Now we'll start writing your first blog in seconds. They don't need my credit card and we have 14 days free trial. If you ask what's going to happen in the end of 14 days, they just delete your website. They don't have your credit card, so they can't charge you. But when the 14 days free trial ends, they will just delete your website. So make sure you decide in those 14 days if you want to stick with them or not. So now let's register. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with email. And this is my dashboard. In a matter of seconds, we created my blog, my website. If you want to look at it, how it looks, you click here, view website, and you will see your website here. Here is your dashboard. You will see your website domain. If you click on that, you will view your website from here too. You can edit the name of your website. You will see your views and subscribers. You are the writer. You can change your icon and write something about yourself. You also can connect your social media accounts and they will appear on your header. And also you can watch tutorials. They are great. They explain everything. If you refer a friend, you can earn up to $50. So it's kind of affiliate program. And let me show you my other account that I created with them. So this is my website, IncomeOla, a version of it. I got their domain, IncomeOlaWizrd.page, and I already wrote a blog post. And if you look at my website, you can see it here. So this is my logo. I showed you how to upload it. I have home, content, and freebies, 3 pages I created. I have my social media here, and I have subscribe button. I also have subscribe button here. So they prompt people to enter their email and subscribe to you, and you will get a list of subscribers that you can email them. Those are my latest posts. You can switch to most popular or latest. I have just one, so it doesn't matter. And this is the footer, something about myself I wrote, and also you have subscribe button. So this website is very subscribe purposed website. It is trying to make people to subscribe. If you go to my freebies, I made this page. You see, very nice YouTube banner. Those just links, so I can put more pictures, of course, and make it nicer. But I just wanted something basic to show you how it works. This is my dashboard. I already have 22 views, 0 subscribers. So look how simple it is to manage this website. You have blog that you can write your blog, that if you click on that, you will see your blog post that you created. You also can create a new blog here, or if you're in your dashboard, you can click new blog post here. You can click on new page or share website, you will get the link. So when you go into blog, you also will see if you created some drafts here. You can edit your blog post, you can clone it, share it, you can delete it here. When you go into edit site, you have all the management of your website. Header or tagline, you can change the picture here. If you click on that, you can change your heading, your tagline. This is the little text here. You can change the picture that appears on the background. You can switch to white or black. Then you can change the colors that you choose. You remember we choose colors. So the colors that they give you, they're not the only ones. They're just palettes. You can choose another color by changing here. You also can decide if you want a white font or black font. You see here. Of course, the white you cannot see on this light blue, so I chose the black ones. You also can switch the button color, change color. You can choose another color by inserting the text here or messing with these colors here. Don't forget to confirm and save the changes. Then you have your menu. If you go to that, you'll see I have home. You can edit that. You can add sub-menu, contacts, and freebies. It's very, very simple. Then you have your site logo, which we uploaded, site icon, and don't forget to save changes. Every time you change something, it's not enough to just confirm it. You have to save changes here. Underneath you have pages, and you will see my freebies page that I created. You also have drafts. Here you have my account. If you open that, you will see your websites. So I already created one. I create new website. With my free trial, I can create 3 websites. And to create new website, you just click on new site and you will be prompted to create your new website. Then you have domain. Here you can connect your custom domain. Then you have billing, and they'll tell you that you have a free trial that ends it ends today, by the way, guys. Then you have payment information if you want to add your card, and you have billing history. I don't have any because I'm on free trial. After billing, you have profile. You can enter your first name, last name, username. You can change your password or enter your phone number and click on save. The last one is log out. Mainly you're going to work with this page builder. To create a new blog post, it is very simple. You just click on new blog post, you give it a title, you choose a feature image, or you upload from your computer. You create category or you choose one, let's say demo. Click on add, and now I have new category. You also can choose category from here, and here is a regular text writer. So let's say I want to make this a header. I highlight it, I go here, instead of paragraph I choose heading 1, then it's gonna be my text. And that's it, my blog post is ready. Now you will improve your SEO straight away from here. This is your title, this is the link, and here you will see the blog. And if you click on edit, you can edit it from here and edit the description, so it will include keywords that people are searching for, and then you will improve your SEO. So click on update and let's publish this blog post. You can save it as draft or publish it. Let's click on publish. And now you'll see under the post I have 2 blog posts. If you go to my website, you will see that I have 2 blog posts. This website is also responsive, so if you want to see how it looks on a mobile device, what I do is the easiest. I just squeeze the page, and this is how it's gonna look. This is the menu, and you also have subscribe button here. All this website is optimized for people to subscribe to you, and you can email them later. If you are somebody who is looking not to mess with the maintenance, plugins, updates, speed issues, and building pages, and you struggle with this, Wizrd can be a great option for you. And also you'll get great server from Amazon, which is cloud-based server. It is very fast. So if you want to grab a free trial for Wizrd, I have a link in the description of this video. Go ahead and try it. Tell me what you think about this website builder in the comments. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, creator.